అసహ్యంగా తయారయ్యాను. అనవసరంగా మాట్లాడతాను. అనవసరం స్పీచ్ బాగుండండి. ఎస్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. Yes, good evening to all. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Good evening. How are you feeling? Yes, little bit okay. There is a problem on the board. Chiranjeevi talks on Vedic mathematics. They are joining hostel students of our school. They are joining with my mail ID. I told them to join with their mail ID, but they are not doing that. Good evening. Yeah, can I start? Can I start? There is a problem on the board. Tulasi Vardhan is there in the class. Vamsi, Tulasi Vardhan, Gautam. Good evening. Good evening, Gautam. Sahishnu, he is not joining. I think today he is not there in the class also. Right. Look at the problem on the board. We need to find out angle CDB and angle ADB. Angle ADB, this one, CDB, this one. These two angles we need to find out. So any idea from your side? See children, if you are very much thorough with the properties, then the problems becomes easy. Good evening, Akshar. If you are very much thorough with the properties of parallelogram, all the properties of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, then the problems becomes easy. Right. Angle ADB 60 degrees. Alternate interior angles. Someone of you says this one. Angle ADB, don't say D. D is split into two parts. Satvik. Why are you calling angle D? Angle D, angle B. Observe angle D and angle B. You can find two angles over there near vertex D and B. And why are you calling it as D? You need to name it as with three letters. Name them with three letters, Nana. Don't call it with single letter. So angle ADB 60 degrees, alternate interior angles. ADB 60 degrees. ADB and DBC, alternate interior angles, 60 degrees. Now, how to calculate angle CDB? How to calculate angle CDB? Yeah. Since angle A is 80, angle C is also 80. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Angle C is also 80. Now how to calculate angle CDB? How to calculate angle CDB? Yeah. Sum of interior angles of a triangle. Consider triangle CDB. Consider triangle CDB. We know two angles. Find the third angle. Bhavya Pranati, your intention is right, but the way that you are expressing it is wrong. 80, 60, 140, then this will be 40 degrees. Angle CDB 40. Okay, na? Sir, can we take 360 degrees as whole? How can we take that? We don't know. We don't know some part of angle B and some part of angle D, na? How can we take it? We can't. Now even we can say this is also 40. He is not asked. He didn't ask us. If this angle is 40, this angle is also 40, alternate interior angles. Now next question. Again, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Oh, starting from here. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. M is the M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. Angle BAM, DAM, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. And what we have to prove? AD is equal to 2CD. Required to prove. M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. And angle BAM and DAM are equal. And we need to prove AD is equal to 2CD. This is required to prove. Okay. AD is equal to 2CD. Children, how to prove it? AD is equal to 2CD. Yeah. See here. I'm taking this angle as angle 1 and angle 2. Given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. But if we take AD and BC are parallel lines and AM transversal, then angle 2, I take this one as angle 3, they are equal, alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So from these two, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now, in triangle ABM, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, which implies AB is equal to BM, which implies AB is equal to BM since it is an isosceles triangle. Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Yeah. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. So from these two we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now, if we consider triangle ABM, in that triangle angle 1 is equal to angle 3, which implies AB is equal to BM. Now, what he is asking? AD. He is asking prove that AD is equal to 2CD. Now, consider AD. We know that AD is equal to BC. We know that AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now, AD is equal to BC. I can express it as BM plus MC. BC we can express it as BM plus MC. అరే వీడెవడో పిచ్చి మాటలన్నీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. అడ్రస్ ఒకసారి నోట్ చేయండి నాన్న. ఆల్రెడీ సిఐ గారు చెప్పారు, జస్ట్ వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ ఒకటి నోట్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుందని. వెంటనే ఎవరన్నా ఒకళ్ళ అది నోట్ చేయండి, వాడి మెయిల్ ఐడి లాంటిది ఏదైనా నోట్ చేయండి అండ్ వాడిని డిలీట్ చేసేసేయండి. నాకు పిచ్చి మాటలన్నీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. మరి వాడికి చదువు వచ్చో రాదు మనకు తెలియదు. రైట్. So AD is equal to BM plus MC, but AD is equal to BM plus MC, both are equal na, so I can take it as 2BM. 2BM and 2BM, but BM is equal to AB kada, BM is equal to AB. So AD I can read as 2AB. Again AD is equal to, instead of 2AB I can write 2CD because AB and CD are equal. AB and CD are equal, opposite sides of parallelogram. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. But AD we can express it as BM plus MC. So again BM plus MC we can write it as 2BM. But BM is equal to AB. So 2BM we can write it as 2AB. But AB is equal to DC, opposite sides. So AD is equal to 2CD. Okay, na? Next question. Yeah. ABCD, a parallelogram. BP are the bisectors. BP are the bisectors of angle A and angle B. Angle A 60, given angle A 60. Angle A 60 degrees and required to prove
Sir, how much sir?
Can you hear me, children?
Sir, how much?
Angle ABB 90. Second one, AD is equal to DP. Third one, PB, PC, BC are equal. And fourth one, DC is equal to 2AD. DC is equal to 2AD. So these four we need to prove. Yeah. ABCD is parallelogram, Nana. ABCD is parallelogram. Given angle A 60. AB is the bisector of angle A. BB is the bisector of angle B. We need to prove angle ABB. This angle 90. Second one, AD is equal to DP. Third one, PB, PC, BC are equal. Fourth one, DC is equal to 2AD. That is what we have to prove. Four are there total. Very easy sum, but you need to listen carefully. Now, my question is, if angle A is 60, what is angle B, Nana? If angle A is 60, what is angle B? ABCD is parallelogram. Keep that one in the mind. ABCD is parallelogram. 120. Very good. Shravan. Who is Shravan? Shravan told 120. Mahesh told 120. Remaining all wrong. How it will be 60 there? If angle A is 60, angle B 120. How it will become 60? Sum of any two adjacent angles is 180, na? If angle A 60, angle B 120. 120. Okay, na? Now, angle A 60 and AP is the bisector. So this one 30, this one 30. This angle 30, this angle 30. Okay? Next, angle B 120. Then BP is the bisector, na? 60, 60. Since BP is the bisector of angle B, we can take it as 60, 60. Now, what is angle APB now? You tell me, what is angle APB, children? What is angle APB? What is angle APB? Angle APB means this angle. Muhammad Hamza says 90. 90, very good. It is 90 degrees. Good. So first one done. Now, children, can anyone say what is angle D? Can anyone say what is angle D? Angle D. Bhavya Pranati says 120. Mahesh says 90. Mahesh, how it is 90, right? Angle B 120, so angle D is also 120, opposite angles of parallelogram. 90 అంటే రైట్ యాంగిల్ అని తెలుసు నాకు. Angle B for Bombay 120. Then what is angle D? Which is also 120. So angle D 120. Now, what is the measure of this angle? This angle. Angle DPA, DPA. Angle DPA 120 है. Lower power 120 है. Angle DPA 30 degrees. Very good. Anglism property of triangle. Angle DPA 30 degrees. So this is 30. Now, what type of triangle is ADP? What type of triangle is ADP? What type of triangle is ADP? ADP triangle. What can you say about that triangle? What type of right triangle है? यशो लेकर right triangle है ADP. Hamza right, isosceles triangle. Two angles are equal, na? It is an isosceles triangle. So, triangle ADP, angle DAP is equal to angle DPA 30 degrees. So what we can take? AD is equal to DP. AD is equal to DP. So this is done. Second one done. Now, can anyone say what is angle C? What is angle C? What is angle C, children? 60 degrees. Kovida 60. Bandaru 60. 60, yes, 60 degrees. Because angle A 60, angle C is also 60. Now, look at this. What is the measure of this angle? This one. So angle CPB is also 60 because in that triangle two angles are 60 degrees. So remaining third angle is also 60. This is also 60. Now, what type of triangle it is? What type of triangle it is? Yeah, it's an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Triangle CPB is equilateral. So, PC is equal to BC is equal to BP. Third one done. PC is equal to BC is equal to PB. Third one done. Third question done. Now, fourth one. Fourth one. DC is equal to 2AD. Now, see here. DC, I am starting with the DC. DC is equal to, we need to prove 2AD. See. Can I write DC as DP plus PC? DC as DP plus PC. ఇప్పుడు నేనేమంటానంటే ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయింది అంటారు. మీరు ఒప్పుకుంటారా? DC, we need to prove DC is equal to 2AD. I wrote DC is equal to DP plus PC. And I am saying after writing this, I am saying that the problem is done. How many of you are accepting? Why? How, sir? Yes, very good question. How, sir? Good. Okay. Kovidani, how can I answer? DC. Instead of DP, I can write AD. Is that right? In the place of DP, I can insert AD. In the place of DP, I can insert AD because AD is equal to DP. Okay. Now, in the place of PC, I can insert BC. In the place of PC, I will insert BC. Now, it becomes DC is equal to AD plus BC. DC is equal to AD plus BC. Now, what we have to prove? DC is equal to 2AD. DC is equal, Bhavya Pranati catched it already. Very good. DC is equal to AD plus AD because AD and BC both are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Both are equal. So DC is equal to 2AD. DC is equal to 2AD. Okay, children. DC is equal to 280. Next. So last question for today. Last question for today. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD diagonals are joined. Diagonals are joined. Okay. It is a parallelogram. Diagonals are joined. This is 105. This is 40 degree. 35 degree. And what we have to do? ABO, this angle, ODC, this angle, ACB, this angle, and CBD, this angle. We need to find out X, Y, Z, W. X, Y, Z, W. How? ACB 40. Yes, alternate interior angles. Very good. Angle Z is equal to 40 degrees. Alternate interior angles. Z 40. X 40. Yeah? How? Z 40, how it becomes 40? X. Tejas, how 40? Z 40. X, how it is 40? Yeah. This is 105 degrees, vertically opposite angles. 105 vertically opposite angles. So 105 plus 35, 140. Then X 40 degrees. This is 40. This is 40. Yeah. Now, if X is 40, Y is also 40. Alternate interior angles. If X is 40, Y is also 40. Alternate interior angles. Now, what is W? What is W? What is W? $35 plus 40 plus 40. Yes. This angle 35. This is 40. And this one 40 plus W is equal to 180. Sum of interior angles of triangle. 35 plus 40 plus 40 plus W is 180. 40, 40, 80 is 115. Plus W is 180. So W is equal to 118 minus 115. 65 degrees. It is 65 degrees. So children, if you know the properties very well of parallelogram, then the problems are easy. If you understand the properties very well, the problems are easy. Otherwise, They become difficult. Okay. So I told you that address, kindly note it down, that address and send it to me. I have to speak with Sanjog's father. He told me that kindly send the address. సంజయ్ వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు అన్నారు అడ్రస్ పంపించండి నేను పట్టుకుంటాను అన్నారు ఆయన. అడ్రస్ ఉంటే పంపించండి నాకు. ఓకేనా? బాయ్ బాయ్ ఫర్ టుడే. విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ ఆన్ మండే. బాయ్ బాయ్. ధన్యవాద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. మహాగణాధిపతి.